Eid-ul-Fitr. Eid-ul-Fitr falls on the first day of Shawwal, the 10th month of the Islamic calendar. Since Muslims follow a lunar calendar, where a year is approximately 11 days shorter than a solar year, Eid falls on an earlier date in the Western Gregorian calendar each year. It is believed that the Holy Quran was first revealed to Prophet Muhammad during the month of Ramadan. So, Muslims consider this a holy month and hold fast from dawn to dusk and dedicate themselves to praying to Allah. Eid-ul-Fitr marks the end of this month, while Eid-ul-Fitr itself lasts only one day, the day following the holy month of Ramadan. It is also celebrated in the days that follow in some countries and Muslim communities. Eid-ul-Fitr is a time for families to get together and devote themselves to prayer. Muslims visit mosques to pray under an open sky. As an obligatory act of charity, money is paid to the poor and the needy before performing the Eid prayer. It is also customary to wear a fresh new outfit on Eid-ul-Fitr. Families also shower gifts on their loved ones, though children often receive most of the attention. Gifts are freely distributed among friends and relatives.